Just a little bit of announcement. I do have a good news and a bad news. I will start off with the bad news. From January 2025, I'll be charging 20 USDT for the private. If you don't know what the private is, check the top right of the video to know what I do in the private. The entry for December will be closed on 31 November. Now you have to message me, and to do that, just head down to the description of the video, click on the Discord and click on announcement, click my name and message me. If for some reason the Discord is not working, just comment Discord and I'll generate a new link just for you. Thank you. Let's get back into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to XRP update today, and we do have a little bit of an offer. Today's the last day, 30 November, to enter private. Now the thing is, first of all, what I want to say is I am really happy for the XRP holders who have been holding for years now, right? If you're the OG holder who have been into XRP, watching the news, reading the blogs, blah blah blah, and keeping up with the BS that XRP has been throwing you away for such a long time, and you still held your nerves and you held the coin, I'm really happy for you, because this coin is not easy to cope with. It is the most difficult coin ever to cope with. Now we have reached a certain resistance, which was the resistance back in 2021. Now that's amazing. Okay, XRP is back to the prices it was back in 2021, and that's incredible because XRP moved. Okay, it actually pumped. We have seen a very long consolidation right here. People who were holding, and then finally the train took off. Right, that's pretty much how accumulation really work and consolidation work. Now the thing is that we are on the verge of creating history. We're on the verge of probably looking at XRP making it big again, right? And that is if XRP comes up and break $2 and go above $2, and then they try to retest it down to $1.6, and then we start to push all the way to the upside, and then you could probably see an $18. A lot of people believe that we can have $18 if we take this one whole huge pattern itself, and I drop the pattern and we take the top to bottom of that whole thing that has been developing for a long time, then we could actually even look at $12. And yeah, $12 is very possible, right? It's very possible. Now imagine buying down at 0.5 and going to $12. That give you 21x, and that's pretty fair in a bull run. I think maybe $18 can be a possibility, but I would actually say $12 is a realistic target, so I'm actually going to stick with that. And by the way, it's actually backed up with a pattern as well, so this is very safe to say, but you never know. Bull runs are bull runs, and we can actually just continue even higher. So we're gonna actually but that's a solid start right there. This is still a solid start, right? Now I'm gonna get into the smaller time frame, and the question that is there is XRP going to break this, right? Is XRP gonna get above $2? Because that's a very big block right here that you have. Now psychologically you should break, right? Bitcoin is making new all-time high. It is higher than ever, and if you match XRP and Bitcoin prices from the past 5 years, when Bitcoin was at $69,000, XRP was at $1.7. Bitcoin is trading at $90,000 and XRP is still at $1.7. Now that mismatch in prices really means psychologically that XRP has to break to catch up with the prices of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is a little bit ahead of XRP right now, and they have to catch up a little bit together in terms of ratio, right? So yeah, there's a little bit of a mismatch, and we should be breaking psychologically. And secondly is on the patterns here, I do notice that XRP has a flag, like this was a very big push up with a bull pennant right here. And if we take this whole bull pennant technical target, then it actually comes up to $2.3, nearly $2.3. That's the first pennant that you have, and then the second pennant that you have is right over here, right? So this little bit of a pattern again, so you have a little bit of a sideways and the break that happened, so that is another pennant. And if you take the top to the bottom again, this is actually showing $2.177. So hopefully we do get to see, XRP breaking above and at least making it to $2.3. But it's very, very highly overbought and very, very risky. And on top of that, I've shown you this is another resistance. Of course, it is a resistance because of 2021 resistance actually. So that was the top previously, and I think that even on the RSI right now, you're moving up like this and you're moving down like that. So you do have the bearish divergence, but there are chances you make it up here. Bearish divergence continue to go on and you can still grow a little bit, and then from there try to retrace down to maybe 1.5 1.6, consolidate, and then start the journey in 2024 for the real move of XRP and top out for the bull run. And then that's it, you guys are going to be super rich from that point. I can feel that. I can feel people who are holding XRP becoming very, very rich. You're already rich, man. I mean, this is a huge move down from there to there, 242%. Man, you guys are lucky. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.